Spring is in the air, so now is the perfect time to give your living room a refresh with home accents and decor from Hobby Lobby. Encourage guests to sit and stay a while with a relaxing seating area that's full of comfy pillows. With a stunning array of styles, including gorgeous floral designs, cheerful prints, and whimsical patterns, it's easy to curate a cozy spot you'll want to sink into. From statement-making canvases to framed art to ornate mirrors, Hobby Lobby has everything to bring your gallery walls to life. Discover artwork in a variety of styles, from nature-inspired pieces to abstract designs. Brighten up your living room with stylish floor lamps. Whether you're looking for something modern, eclectic, traditional, or beyond, you'll find just the right on-trend option to illuminate your space. Let Hobby Lobby help you get organized in style with eye-catching storage solutions, such as wicker baskets, fabric bins, and woven trays. Don't forget to show your houseplants some love this spring. Planters in all shapes and styles, ranging from concrete to ceramic to metal, are ready to freshen up your home. Visit Hobby Lobby today to explore these exclusive living room essentials and everything else spring has to offer. For more inspiration, subscribe to Hobby Lobby's YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when we add new videos. We can't wait to help you live a creative life.